wattage lamps in series.
Dear students, in this exercise you will come to know how to group different wattage lamp in series. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to read and interpret the data stamped on a given lamp, measure the voltage drop across the lamp when unequal wattage lamps are connected in series to the supply, state the reasons for the behavior, condition of glow, unequal wattage lamps in series.
Requirements: tools and instruments. Multimeter, 1 number. Voltmeter, 0 to 15 volt, 3 numbers. Ammeter, 0 to 500 milliamp, 1 number. Equipment and machines. DC variable source, 0 to 24 volts, 5 amps with output current, and voltage indicator, 1 number. Procedure. Task 1. 3 lamps of 6 volts in series across 18 volts supply, that is unequal wattage. Connect the 3 lamps with ammeter A in series to the variable voltage DC supply source. Connect a MC voltmeter 0 to 15 volt across L, that is low current rating or low wattage bulb. Gradually increase the supply voltage from 0 volts, observing ammeter, voltmeter and lamps L1. Increase the voltage up to 18 volts. Record your observations. Does the lamp L1 fuse? If yes, give your reasons, stating the observation made just before fusing. Open the switch S and reset the supply voltage to 0 volt. Replace the bulb L1. Task 2. With 2 low wattage L1 lamps in parallel as in task 1. Form the circuit as per the diagram. Observe the effect of increasing the supply voltage from 0 to a value that causes 6 volts across low wattage lamps L1. Does the lamp L2 fuse? If yes, give your reasons stating observations made just at the time of L2 fusing. Open the switch S. Replace the lamp L2 and reset the DC source at 0 volt. Increase the supply voltage until a current of 150 milliampere flows in the circuit. Read and record the voltages V1, V2 and V3. Task 3. With 2 L2 lamps in parallel as in task 1. Form the circuit as shown. Gradually increase the supply voltage up to 18 volt. After closing the switch S, observe the voltage V1, current and glow of lamp L1. Does the lamp L1 fuse again? What are the conditions at the time of fusing? Is there any difference in the values as compared with the one in task 1? Give your response. Open the switch S. Replace the fused lamp L1. Reset the supply voltage to 0 volt. Close the switch S and increase the current through the circuit to 100 milliamp. Record the voltages V1, V2 and V3. Task 4. With 3 L1 lamps connected in parallel and the whole in series with 1 lamp L3, 2 L2 lamps in parallel as in task 1. Increase the supply voltage gradually to 18 volt. Observe the lamps a meter and measure the voltage across the lamp group L1, lamps group L2 and L3. Now all the lamps glow with their normal brightness. No lamp fused.
So students, you might have known how to read and interpret data stamped on a given lamp, measure the voltage drop and other important elements.